everyone, and welcome back. Yo, what is up, my ex-gamers? It's your boy Janice Gamer YT, and today I'm going to show you how to make honey glazed fish, and well, honey glazed salmon. So basically, the first thing I have to do here is put honey and get the stuff ready. So I've already put the honey. That's gonna be the soy sauce. That's gonna be the lemon, which I just added, and then after that I'm going to mix it all up to, you know, make the sauce nice and perfect so I can be ready to fry the fish, salmon. And now here is the salmon, and they're seasoning it. So I put some salt, and yeah, that's me right there. And then here I'm going to flip it so I can put the same seasoning again in the other side. Alright, here I am once again putting the salt, and there I am putting the pepper. I'm gonna do that, and now I'm rubbing the seasoning together. So now I'm going to put the olive oil, or whatever you will put, which is oil, which is what I put, and that's what you're supposed to put when you're gonna fry it. So here I am placing the salmon. Boom, one place down. Boom, two place down. Boom, three place down, just like that. Now there I am adding the garlic. Now I'm adding the soy sauce. Well, the sauce that I made earlier. There I am putting it, and the best part you will see later on in the video, so keep watching for that. And yep, there it is. That's the part. Not really, actually, it's not the part. So yeah, frying the salmon and putting it on top of the salmon. Well, the sauce on top of the salmon. So here I'm going to do my rice. So I added some salt and water for the rice. So I'm mixing it around now. And then I added oil. So now I'm mixing it around. And then I closed it, checking it, and yeah. Now I'm back on the salmon, looking nice and pretty nice and fried. Look at that, pretty nice. And now I'm serving myself and gonna taste. So yeah, there I am serving. Boom. That's one more. Boom. Now I'm gonna serve my fish. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top of the rice. Oh snap, I don't know if y'all heard that thunder. It's raining pretty hard over here while I'm doing the voiceover. So then I'm garnishing it with leaves.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sorry guys, I meant cilantro. Seasoning it, well, garnishing it with cilantro. That's the best part, guys. That is the sauce, and it's really nice cooked, not cruel, and it's really sweet, which is the best part. You guys have to try this at home. It is really good. So just look at, like, oh my goodness. When I served myself, I did a good job. Here's myself saying, it's been a journey making this, so it's time to taste it. After all the progress we've done, let's go ahead and try it out.
It's a terrific season again. Finished second, being voted the most improved behind Gordon Dragic.
This is pretty good. Very sweet too. This is my favorite part. You gotta give this a 10 out of 10. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to become an next gamer. Turn on notifications. Don't miss anything out from your boy. And try this out yourself if you want. I'll put the ingredients and the recipe in the description below. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.